Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, the weekend edition, Saturday, September the 28th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the Sudoku with 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, Binary puzzle, and one puzzle is left: the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9351. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Maybe a 1 star puzzle faster than 50 minutes. Well, is this a 1 star or 0 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question: do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains overlooked this single box. Overlooked. This should be also a 1. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question: do we have here triple box? I see here one triple box in this puzzle. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question: do we have here quadrat boxes? I see here a quadrat box. Well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. With a double 1 there, double 2 there, so 2 numbers left. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, okay. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadrat box. These are 3 box. Surround the 3 can be a 3. 1 box left of the 3 in this quadrat box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left of the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left of the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes. There. This box cannot be 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And these 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 3. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes. And there. 3 or a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then. Let me see. Well. This box can be 3. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, we have a double 1 there. Give me 2, we have a 2 in the same area. Give me 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5, we have a double 5 there. Or here 5, yeah. Definitely 4 there. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 3 here. Well, come on, come on. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 to 4, 2 to 4. I think this, wait. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And I need a 5 here. Well, here we have a double 1. That means that this box can't be 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1's supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box level 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Final 2 numbers 2 to 4. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Sunday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.